Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share with you how I make a Spanish tortilla omelette. So for this tortilla, I used celery, leek, salt, onions, garlic, bell pepper, eggs, oil, potatoes, and carrots. Start with cutting the vegetables and potatoes. So actually the potatoes are supposed to be deep fried to make sure they cook evenly. I did not have enough oil to do so, so I fried it in the oil I had. Cook the potatoes until they are golden brown. Remove it from the oil, drain it on a paper kitchen towel, and set it aside. Heat oil in a skillet and cook the onions over a medium heat for 2 to 3 minutes. Add celery and cook it along for 2 more minutes. Add chopped carrots and cook it for another 2 minutes. And now it's time to add leek. Cook it for about 1 minute. And finally add bell pepper and cook the vegetables for another 2 to 3 minutes. Add seasoning to taste. I opted for dried oregano. To the eggs, add salt, pepper, and garlic. I also added onion powder, some oregano, and dried basil. Give it a whisk and add the cooked vegetables and potatoes. Mix it again. Pour some of the mix in a well-greased skillet and put the lid or a plate on the skillet to make it cook through evenly. Also, I do not fill the skillet to the rim. I do this to avoid getting thick tortillas which aren't fully cooked. And there you have it. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for weekly recipe videos. Thanks for watching, guys.